Listen, all of you lot, yeah, that are going Turkey, everyone's at Turkey, oh, we're going Turkey, yeah. You're going because everyone else is going, yeah? You're all sheep, you're all followers. Where are we going? Turkey. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the Marmaris vlog 2022. We're cutting straight to day one just because last night, very tired. The first thing I wanted to do was grab some food, so literally at like 3 AM, casually went to a restaurant, casually ordered food, casually got served food like it was normal, and vibes, mashallah. The food was nice and the food was very cheap, innit? So cheap, mad cheap, like crazy cheap.
How much did we pay in total?
It was like, it worked out to about £6 each for like a full course meal.
If you went to London, let's say in London, you'd be paying like £30–40 for all we had.
Straight up, £30–40. £6. But anyway guys, today we've got a fun packed day. Inshallah, we'll be doing a little bit of horse riding, a little bit of quad biking, a lot of walking, because we've not hired a car out. Inshallah, but first what we're going to do is we're going to do a little house tour. A little Airbnb tour. We'll start the vlog like that. A lot of people come to Marmaris because they're trying to party, they're trying to have a little bit of, you know? We're not here for that.
We keep it halal.
Keep it halal. Always keep it halal. If you have not watched my 5 travel tips, inshallah, I will send a link to watch it in the description below. You need to start linking your videos in it, and I've got some 5 travel tips for Muslim travelers. But for now, let's get straight to the house tour or Airbnb tour. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we start with the kitchen. Very small apartment type vibe, but nice kitchen. We'll be vibing there. And then over here we have the living room where Imtiaz is redoing. This is where Nahyan was sleeping. Nice IKEA-ish design. What do you think?
Very suave.
Suave, yeah? This is where me and Ibi were sleeping.
Oh hey, didn't see you there.
Did you not?
Nah.
Why not?
Welcome to the crib.
Welcome. Yeah, I've already welcomed them. There guys, nice small little room. Oh,
minor injuries bro, it's okay.
And then here we have Imtiaz, who has the maddest room because he won the raffle.
Yeah boy.
Lucky. But yeah guys, when you travel with us, yeah, whatever is the best room, we put your sort of name in like a randomizer, and whoever gets it, whoever doesn't has to get the rack room. So unfortunately we got the rack room and Imtiaz got the nice room. But it kind of evens out in the last couple of trips that we've done. Alright guys, so we're just getting ready to leave. We're all SP50'd up because in Madeira we didn't, and we came home a little bit bad. So we're just getting ourselves all moisturized.
Pinar.
You know, yeah?
This was called just cool off the milk because I'm cool. We're leaving 2 minutes ago.
Alright, you get back close. Alright, come. Let's go.
Let's roll.
Bro, I keep doing that now.
It's okay.
It was you, no.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
This is Bilal's thing. Oh, I keep doing it.
What's going on guys? So we're just gonna go grab some breakfast and then we're gonna go to the excursions. I don't know if I'm too bright because of the sunglasses, but oh, hello.
Even that guy's finding the sun.
No, me in the morning.
Meat.
I wonder what this is. Breakfast.
Breakfast or dessert.
That looks different, man.
This isn't Oreo, this is time.
Is it nice? Give us a review.
Is it? Banging.
Yeah? Alright, safe.
Oh no, boy.
So we came to a Karen cafe, Karen patisserie, nice latte, and this is banging, absolutely banging, mashallah. Alright guys, so we just had a little break. Now we're gonna go to the point where we're gonna get picked up. We're gonna get on the horses, sorry, and then, yeah.
Should be lit.
Let's go. Alright. Ready for the horse riding?
Ready, yes, brother.
You ready, Ibi? Yes. Horse riding, yeah? Alright guys, so we've just finished the horse riding. We weren't allowed cameras like whilst we were on there, so I couldn't obviously do this. And horse is obviously giddy, so we can't really keep it steady, but Nahyan, do you enjoy that?
That was That was quite an experience, man. I loved it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's sick, man. Alright, Ibi, tell me about your horse riding experience.
It's not looking good, bruv.
Why?
I'm not rating it. I'm not.
You're not rating
Enjoy
it?
it? No.
What do you think? It was sick, innit?
It's super sick, but I did fall off. Not the horse got a bit mad and it just dashed me off
Yeah.
and hurt myself.
And what about you, Nahian? Where are you rating it?
I'm rating it a 10, man. It's the peak of masculinity. So,
Peak of masculinity.
yeah.
Nah, but for real, guys, there's something about riding a horse that just feels good, man.
You know what I'm saying?
You know?
It's so
You feel like a man. You feel like a boss.
Okay.
Nah, for real, you do.
Yeah, the YouTuber.
You see? What's going on, guys? So we just finished quad biking and we just finished the horse riding, but the quad biking, we can't bring cameras on, we can't we couldn't even bring our phones because we got wet. But it was so fun, man. Like, I enjoyed it so much. I wish I got glasses though, because the dust kept going in my eye. But guys, that was really fun, man. Like, I wish I could show you. Guys, what are you rating the quad biking? Just ignore me. What are you guys rating the quad biking?
Oh yeah, it was sick.
Bro,
10 out of 10, fam.
Yeah?
Why did you such a Birmingham accent?
10 out of 10.
Bare wet and bare
muddy.
man.
I know. Shoes are done out, man.
Bro, his white van, brown van, came through dripping.
Yours are not that bad.
Man are clean.
They're not that bad. Nahian's drenched.
I'm very wet right now.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So guys, this is all we could get in the quad bike. Just me on one. Nothing more to it, really. Do you think we could just get it on the vlog of me just riding it to and back? We managed to take some photos. So what we did is we exchanged some photos of them, quick photos of us. Oh, Nahian.
How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah. Tik chair. Tiko. Is that you, Nahian? Huh? Is that you, broski?
Are you vlogging?
Okay, say hi to my YouTube channel, inshallah.
السلام عليكم.
You okay?
كيف حالكم؟
Alhamdulillah, tamam.
الحمد لله.
Nahian?
Git ileriye bir koş gel ileriden.
Tamam.
No, that's. Go that way.
Over there was the nice.
Oh, it's a bit underexposed, but it's calm.
Guys. Nahian, tell them about the shots we got.
Revolution. Well, no revolution. Let's do it again.
Nah, we'll redo it. This is vlog. We don't redo it.
Allow it.
This
Revolution.
Revolutionary.
Revolutionary, yeah.
Guys, woo! I want to show you guys some, yeah? I want to show you guys. Alright guys, we're back, we're freshened up from all that dirt that we had in us. We've all had our showers and we're all looking freshellini. Guys, now we're just gonna go for a little waltz around the area, grab some food and take some serious pictures because we're all looking so fire. I just need to show you guys. Nahian. Okay. With the Balenciaga drip.
Leave me alone. But thank you.
Oh! Okay. Is that you? You're playing.
Wait.
You're playing games.
Can we just turn it around for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Can we turn it? Wow.
Is that?
Wait a minute. What are those?
These are fresh forces.
Oh god damn it.
No, step correct.
We do indeed.
Let's find Ibi. Come on. Ibi. Yeah. We have a nice casual fit.
It's nice casual. Obviously anime because we represent.
Anime, show me the anime. Anime represent for all
Come
those
on.
anime lovers.
Come on.
You guys are
One
weird. You guys are weird. I'm joking. Serious. Okay. You're done now. So yeah guys, that's that. Now, we are gonna go for a little walk.
Look straight into the sun.
Hi.
Hello.
Gang.
Hello.
Gang. Guys, we just took the sickest of pictures. We just took the pengest of pictures. Yeah? But we need to get yours now, you two's, because we're not getting enough pictures of you guys. But then do you know what? We keep taking a spotlight, you know what I'm saying? But let's go. Cheers! Is that you, Evie? Is that you? Huh? Okay, okay.
Yeah, 2 fries.
Serious munch. Huh?
Time to inspect the burger.
Time to inspect. Oh my god. Goodness gracious me.
Massive, innit?
Yo.
Bahusi.
Yo. Guys, that was a fat munch.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that so?
That's very much so, man.
Is that so?
It is absolutely. Absolutely so.
I agree. It was really
But yo, I'm stuffed, man. MashaAllah, like there's a lot of barakah in that food, I would say. And there was a masjid right there, so very, very nice.
What we do now?
I don't know, man. Now we're just strolling.
Now we explore like Dora.
We shall explore the land of the Turks. Okay, his shop. Nice football tops.
Yes, we have any team.
Any team?
Yes, come have a
You
look.
come? Let's have a look. Let's go. Let's do a little tour. Inshallah. Oh, mashallah. Lots of
Mashallah, look, we have
replicas.
any
Any t-shirt?
t-shirt.
Yes. Oh, mashallah. Okay. Lots of variety, as you can see.
Yes, and we have upstairs.
Okay. Yeah? Okay, no. He's not.
I'll make it, I'll edit it, make it nicer.
Another shop. Guys, I like his floor. His floor's nice. His floor's actually really nice. Go on, Evie. Grab it.
Stop, yeah. Don't stop, just
Bro,
try
just
to get
take it, man.
Yeah. Come on.
He's moving it.
Come show him, yeah, come. Come, brother. He look like Amir Khan. Come on, bro, look.
I'm a miracle. Look, I got fast hands.
Yes, come on, bro. Come on. If you get free corn for you. Come on. Yes, yes.
I'm too small.
Yeah, you too small. Little John, come on. Yes, bro.
This guy's violating, you know. He just got
Yes, yes, John. Buy one, get one, same price. Come on.
Okay, let me buy then, please.
Yes. Yes.
He actually went for that.
Can I actually have ice cream now?
No, if you want, don't worry.
Yep.
I do want.
Very
Sexy
good.
Baga JJ.
Sexy Boga JJ.
Jealous Baga Little John.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
He
Okay.
shoes from Primark.
Ah! How did he know? How did he know?
Real commerce.
Real. You've been UK before?
No, I just have a lost English girlfriend.
Ah.
Yeah, like Kazana. Yeah. You like in the corn licky licky? Or do you like in the top, bro? Which one?
Licky licky.
You like licky licky?
You like licky licky?
Alright, come here, bro. Do you like big size or
Small size.
small, like you? Alright. Brother, I'm only joking.
I'm
Come here, come.
not buying ice cream now.
Come on. Come here, white boy.
Drop your pants, it's gonna rip you in your asshole.
Oh, Primark.
He's gonna,
Yes.
Primark.
he's
Primark.
gonna put a translucent on him.
Armani. Gucci.
Good. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You wish in your dream. Lemon.
No, no.
You guys are
Black
losing. I'm
mulberry?
actually losing.
No, no.
Honey almond. Get the power like Viagra. He said
Oh my god.
he needs. He said he needs.
No.
I don't know. He said this big belly boy say.
Big belly
Yes.
boy.
Look at your belly, fam.
My belly.
Yeah.
Come on,
Too much ice cream.
Your belly look like twins.
Oh my god.
Your belly look like
You couple. You couple with him. Your girlfriend. Yes, come on.
These guys too funny, you know.
Chocolate and
Oh, two.
he like chocolate. He like black. Yes. Chocolate. I talk about ice cream. Shut up your chicken mouse. Yes. Chocolate and.
Oh my god, I'm crying.
Right.
I'm actually crying. I'm actually crying. Nah. I'm actually crying. Astaghfirullah.
Open your big mouth.
How much?
And another one, come on, he offer everybody ice cream. Come here, bro. Which one you like?
Vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla.
Inshallah, vanilla please.
Just vanilla, you don't like black.
No comment, akhi.
Your brother's son?